All right, boys and girls, Liberty Walk does it yet again. This time around with the Lamborghini Miura, and it's gonna divide opinions on the internet. I can guarantee you that. But man, I gotta say that this car looks amazing. Let's get into it. What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, hit that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. Let's keep on rocking. So your boy has taken I took like a little 6-day break, a week. I've been on some medicine to lose a little bit of weight because your boy gained a lot of weight after COVID, and it just has been, it has put me down for at least 6 days. I've been in bed. I really haven't been able to do much, but your boy's back on the grind. We're here. We're tuning in, and let's get it started. So the Liberty Walks wide body Lamborghini Miura, is it sacrilegious or is it brilliant? Look, I'll tell you this. I think it's a little bit of both. It's going to divide opinions, but I think a little bit of both. The Miura has a long history with Lamborghini. Whenever they go in auction, they fetch tons of money. It is an amazing vehicle. To find one that's in the original condition, you're gonna pay a lot of money out of it. But this time around, Liberty Walk has done a wide body Miura, but I think it looks cool. I think it looks really good. So let's get into the article. And it says, ahead of the Tokyo Auto Salon, which is almost, it's about a month ago, a month from now. When it comes with it comes a parade of headline grabbing creations, because we know what goes out to Tokyo Auto Salon is pretty much the best of the best, and this is definitely one of them. Liberty Walk knows how to grab or stir the attentions of the media. This time around, they did it with a wide body Lamborghini Miura, a radical transformation that's widely regarded as widely regarded as one of the most beautiful vehicles coming out of Lamborghini. Now, if you're not familiar with Liberty Walk, they're a tuning powerhouse, and they've done pretty much signature wide bodies from everything to GTRs to Ferraris and Lamborghini. And in the recent years, they've been going after classic supercars, pretty much, to say the least. And to go after a Miura and make this kit, that's a ballsy move. But let me tell you, it came out amazing. So the creation started with the wide body Ferrari F40. Then it followed up with the Lamborghini Countach, which they produced and now they're producing the wide body for the Miura, it's a wide body kit for the Miura. And we're not surprised that most likely you're not going to see the engine being touched on this kit, which they usually don't do. Liberty Walk usually doesn't touch the engines on the vehicles. But we have here the side picture of it, which looks amazing. I mean, we don't know yet if it's on air suspension or if it's static or if it's on coilover. That's yet to find out when the car gets unveiled at the Tokyo Auto Salon. They went with some really deep dish wheels. We could see wide body front fenders here, which look amazing. The front splitter is just insane, and that huge wing. So let's get into the article. And it says the front end has gained a dramatic splitter. I'm going to put the front end picture here, and aggressive canards. Liberty Walk has then crafted new wide body front fenders, and installed a set of deep dish aftermarket wheels. Now the side skirts on the sides are really cool. I really love that small mirror, that small rear view mirror that you see them on the side, or the small side mirrors, however you want to call it. Now the rear clamshell, it's completely new, and it features Archer flares and a really wild diffusers that we see here in the back. I'm going to post a picture of the back of the car. One of the things that really stands out for me is this huge wing. This is going to cost a lot of attention, or it's going to grab a lot of attention when it gets released down at the Tokyo Auto Salon. Again, we're just a month away. Now, the kit is also, the kit's name, the kit has been named LB Silhouette Works TT. And it joins a series of other similar kits, including the Lamborghini Murcielago, the Aventador Huracan, the 458 Italia, and that's just kind of to name a few. But in recent years, they've been going after supercars or classic supercars. And I think this Miura, I think they've done it. I think they have outdone themselves. I really love the front end with that aggressive, with those aggressive canards. And I think the wheel choice just looks amazing. Now, the issue is, whoever owns a Miura, are you gonna be convinced enough to let Liberty Walk do this, or to buy the kit to do this to your vehicle? I mean, again, to find a Miura in almost non-touchable condition or original conditions, it's gonna fetch tons and tons of money. And when they go through auction, they fetch crazy money. And to some people, it's like, man, to do this is sacrilegious to such a beautiful car. This has so much history with Lamborghini. There's so much going on behind the Lamborghini Miura. I would never do this. But then you got the enthusiasts like me that I say, yeah, you're completely right about that. But this kit looks amazing. And if I had one, I don't know. Most likely, I don't know. I would probably do it. It looks really, really good. I really love what they've done here. Wide body, deep dish wheels, huge wing. You know, maybe I think like Liberty Walk might touch the engine. I think they might either do an exhaust or maybe some headers or manifold at the most. You know, a good exhaust to make it sound real nice and just kind of keep it like that. I think is really good. But anyways, ahead of the Tokyo Auto Salon, we could expect this Lamborghini Miura kit to drop. Now, it remains unclear whether the tuner has modified the naturally aspirated V12, just how I mentioned, you know, but it is an aggressive kit. I'll see you boys in the next one. Fun little video. If you guys are rocking with the content, hit that thumbs up and the subscribe. I am out of here.